In this scene we've got a wide angle shot and everything looks flat and uninteresting, so I turn the overheads off, total darkness. I start by adding a small practical behind me. This gives me a warm source to work from. Next I bring in the softbox from the same side to add light and shade to my face. On the opposite side I bring in another practical and add the RGB light behind the lantern to give me a subtle glow. To finish the setup, I rig a light high on a C-stand. This acts as a backlight and separates me from the background and adds depth. The table looks empty, so I dress it with a few props, books, a plant and a gun, to make the scene look more cinematic. This is the before shot, and this is after. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Please feel free to leave any questions, tips or advice in the comments.